The area of Opokweni under Mkhambathini municipality in the Valley of 1000 Hills is rich in culture and is surrounded by notable natural treasures such as the 930-meter high Table Mountain Mkhambathini, where you are able to see areas like Hillcrest, Cato Ridge, PMB and Howick. The area is also situated next to Msunduzi River and the Nagel Dam.
Namhlanje siphansi esigodini sasophokweni kwi-Valley of 1000 Hills sivakashele Indlondlo Cultural Village. Le village yakhiwa ngo-2018, yakhiwa iBrazo Intusi uMsizeni Mngadi. Lo bhuti lo waqala kodwa nge-traditional dance group le ayivula ngo-2010 yadla yonke inhlobo yemhlanganiso. Lo muntu ususe something engekho wayenza something ekhona, i-genius leyo. Indlondlo Cultural Village was founded by Msizeni Mngadi, who qualified as a marine engineer in 2008 and formed Indlondlo Zulu dancers in 2010. You don't get to meet an engineer who's also a traditionalist every day.
Indlondlo is a black mamba. Ngolimi lesingisi bathi is a deadly snake. So thina besithi masidlala emncintiswaneni nje siqhudelana nawe emaqembu ngengoma, bekucaca Indlondlo mayisiqhamukile ukuthi sekufika ezinkulu ke manje. Ngoba besingakwazi ukubhekana nomuntu obhekana nathi. Emva kokuba sihamba sikhombisa ubuzulu bethu, sisine ingoma, sishaya igubhu, sicula emazweni afana no Italy no Botswana, kusikhombisile ukuthi abantu bayasithanda njengoba beza nje abantu belandelana, bezosibona ke manje ekhaya sihleli, bahlale nathi, siphuze umqombothi, sidle ogqokweni, sihambe ngonyawo, sihlale endlini esindwayo njengoba okhokho nokhokhokazi babenza kanjalo ukuze sithole ibusiso.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kabisa TV. Washa